Hello everyone, I am Miss Sana. Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are in good health. Today I am going to continue this lesson we stopped at school before holiday. Now we start from lesson 3, chapter 9. So we have this subject, mixed number. Let's know together what is the mixed number. Mixed number is made up of whole number and fraction. Okay, look at this picture. We have two couples. Okay, one of them is full, so this full it is whole. Okay, and fraction, let's remind the fraction. I'm sure you can remind it because we studied it in the previous lessons and in previous years. Okay, now we have this picture, it's whole picture. Okay, and we divided it, you can say that we divided it in four equal parts and one part of them colored. So we have 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. 1 is a number of up, so it is a number on the fraction, it is numerator, and 4 it's under the fraction, it's denominator. Okay, now we have look at this example. We have letter a 1 and 1/4. We have 1, this whole, they are all colored, so it's whole. Okay, and from there we have 1 color and we have 4 parts, 1 out of 4, so it's mixed number. Look at there, we have 2 and 2/3. We have 2 whole numbers, that's 2, and from there we have 2 colored parts, you write 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 3 parts. Okay, now look at there, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 whole numbers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. From this 6 part we have one of them color, so 3 and 1 out of 6. Okay, dears, look at D, 2 and 1/2. You have 2 whole picture, so 2 whole number, and 1/2, that means you have 2 parts and one of them color, so 2 and half, you can say. Look at there, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 whole number. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. From this 5 parts, 3 of them it is colored, so write 3 from the up and 5 in under the fraction. Look at there, we have 1 whole, you can say 1 whole number. Alright, from there, and from there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in 6 we have in under, so we can simplify it fraction. We studied it in the previous lesson. Find the common factor from the list of multiply. 4 divided 2 equal 2 and 6 divided 2 equal 3. Okay, dear students, we have practice page 169. I prepared for you by simple way, so we can for the first time listen to me. After that we can copy it in your, you can write this in your copy books. Okay, in mathematics notebook. Okay, now we have these two pictures. Write this is question. Write a mixed number for each picture. Okay, how many picture I have? I have 3. 2 of them is whole, so I write 2, and 1 of them is fraction. So how many parts we have? 2 out of 4, because 2 part of them is colored, so 1, 2, 2 out of 4. And we can do it by, we can change it to simplest. You can find the factor between 2 and 4 common factor, so we have 2. 2 divided 2 equal 1, and 4 divided 2 equal 2. And we have this picture. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 holes. Okay, and together we have 1 parts color and 1, 2, 3, and we have 3 parts. Okay, 4 and 1/3. mixed number. For usually you see that from the fraction the number on it is smaller than the under number. Okay, the number at top is smaller than under number, and from this fraction you see that 4 it's greater than 3, so we change it in the as a mixed number. So by divided, you can do it by picture, by many ways we have, and from there I do it by divided. So we have 4 divided 3, 4 divided 3. From 4 how many 3 I have? 1, so write 1. 1 use multiply, 1 multiply 3 equal 3, and from there we have minus sign, because we say that divide and minus they are help to other. Okay, 4 minus 3 equal, they are friends. Okay, 4 minus 3 equal 1, and for this divide, 1 is whole number and 3 it's denominator, and 1 is remainder, so it is numerator. Okay, and look at number 6. We have 11 out of 5. Okay, you divide 11 by 5, so from 11 how many 5 I have? 2, right? 2. Okay, 2 multiply 5 equal 10, so 11 minus 10 equal 1, so 2 is whole number and 1 remainder is numerator, and 5 is denominator. Okay, dear students, we have number 7, 13 over 4. You divided 13 by 4. 13 divided 4 equals 3. We know that 3 multiplied 4 equals 12. 12 is nearest to 30. Okay, now 13 minus 12 equal 1. So 1 its remainder, it is numerator, and 3 is whole number, and 4 it is denominator. Okay, now from there we have 19 over 6. So we divide 90 by 6. Okay, 19 divided 6 equal 3. 3 multiply 8 equal 3 multiply 6 equal 18. Okay, 90 minus 18 equal 1. So 1 it is a numerator, and 6 is denominator, and 3 is whole number. I hope dear students, I hope you will get benefit for me in this lesson. If you